Hey, beautiful people, how's it going? Are you a mom? Are you someone who works a 9 to 5 job? Or someone who is looking for a way out? Basically, looking for time freedom, financial freedom, or just pretty much wanting to learn how to make money online. Well, guess what? You can basically promote these products I have here and also get paid for doing it, even if you are a content creator. So, you're online already, so why not go ahead and start using your social media and start getting paid for what you enjoy doing? Guess what? Being online, right? So I have the gin and tonic, which is the Minfinity here. So guess what? You can get paid to promote this product. If you want to join into the opportunity, definitely reach out to me so you can get this product as well. Or if you want a sample, reach out to me as well too. Gin and tonic is basically the pomegranate flavor. Also with that, we have the peach flavor as well, which is for the hair, skin, body, and nails. So if you like peach, we can definitely get you a sample as well too. And also, we have the strawberry flavor as well too, hair, skin, body, and nails. If you would like a sample or if you would like to learn more on how to promote these products here and get paid by doing so, then definitely inbox me and I can pretty much hook you up. Toodles.